Here's the Michigan Avenue bridge. So.
Not to the bridge.
By the way, that was the same train we saw earlier in Mount Clemens that we got northbound. So it's now in Port Huron. So here's the Michigan Avenue bridge. There might be another train sitting. There might be one pointing west, I think. You see 20 cars under the bridge? Let me see. Yeah, there's 20 cars under the bridge.
Whatever's under the bridge is moving.
It's moving? Which way? Is that the one from Speedway?
I don't know.
I think it is. This car's going very slow, so once we cross the bridge, we might go slower, I guess.
I think that's from the party store. Those are car haulers.
Could be.
That's probably why the one from Speedway is stopped. Those are car haulers.
Is that the one from Speedway?
I don't think so.
Well, we'll find out.
I think the one from Speedway is stopped over here.
From Speedway.
Yeah, it is.
BCOL, they're probably building a train. You think they're building one? Alright guys, that's all for now. That's cool.